Hey guys, so today I want to show how to use formatting elements in HTML. So in the previous video you can learn about the HTML style attributes. So in the HTML also defines special elements for defining a text with a special meaning. So the HTML uses elements like B and I for formatting output like bold or italic text. So the formatting elements were designed to display special types of text, so is here, and we will try all this. So first step is to create a new file and change the plain text to the HTML and save this file to the desktop. The name will be index, and here is the type, and open this file, and this is empty because it is no any code. So here is the HTML structure, and the title, for example, will be formatting. For example, to use the bold text, so the bold will be this is bold, and close this tag, save file, and reopen this HTML file, and this is bold. And for example, how to use strong text. So strong, this is strong, reopen this. Here will be a break element to write in the next, and to write to the next line, and this is the same. For example, how to use an italic text. So here will be a break, and the italic, this is italic, close this, and here will be a text with italic. And how to use, for example, a small text. So here will be, for example, H2, heading 2. So this text is small, and the small will be small, and close this, and close the heading 2. Here will be a break, and this text is small, so this will be a small. So the HTML, for example, mark element defines a marked or highlighted text. How to use, for example, we can create each one. Here will be a break. Each one. This is marked, and close this tag, and the marked and close this. Yeah, it is a cancel, and this to marked, save, and this is marked. For example, how to use a deleted text. So the HTML del elements defines or a deleted text or a removed text. So for example, each 3, this is deleted, and close this tag, and the deleted be del, and close this, save file, and this is a deleted text. So you can try all this element. So thank you for watching, and see you later.